Soyez les bienvenus, mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Cours civique formation civique. OK. So, la formation civique est obligatoire. And one of our objectives is to know ou connaître ses droits et devoirs en tant que résident ou citoyen français. Or know your rights and responsibilities as a resident or a French citizen. What are they? And also de connaître le fonctionnement de la société française. Okay, know how French society functions. Okay, how does it functions? Okay, so first question, another question. Qu'est-ce que la Cour de cassation? Qu'est-ce que la Cour de cassation? What is the Court of Cassation? A. Le plus haute juridiction de l'ordre judiciaire. Or the highest court in the judicial system. B. Un tribunal administratif, administrative court. C. Un ministère, une ministry. Ou D. Une assemblée politique, a political assembly. So what is your answer? Do you know the Cour de cassation? We'll see the answer. Et la bonne réponse, c'est A. Because la Cour de cassation, c'est la plus haute juridiction de l'ordre judiciaire. The highest court in the judicial order. Okay? The highest court po siya. Okay? Donc, justification. Cette réponse est correcte parce qu'elle identifie l'institution, la procédure ou la règle constitutionnelle demandée. La Cour de cassation est la plus haute juridiction de l'ordre judiciaire français. Elle vérifie la bonne application de droit. Les autres propositions sont à écarter car elles confondent cette notion avec une autre autorité ou un autre. Okay, so this answer is correct because it identifies the institution, procedure, and constitutional rule being asked about. Okay, the Court of Cassation is the highest court in French judicial order. It checks the proper application of the law. The other option should be rejected because they confuse this concept with another authority, another procedure, or something unrelated to the organization of the Lord of Court of Appeal or something like that. Okay? So, this is the plus haute juridiction. It's that they verified all the rules and regulations, and that is their role to verify the tribunals or the Court of Appeals. Okay? If the law or l'ordre judiciaire ont correctement appliqué la loi, if they apply the law. Okay? So, la Cour de cassation. Okay. Please, Cour de cassation is the highest, okay? The highest, the plus haute juridiction, the highest court, okay? For the Lord Judiciaire. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, at mag-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde.